Hi, this is Keith Rains. Yeah, so it has been 2 months since when I started offering signals for Boom and Crash, and the journey has quite been a bit hard, not that simple. Okay, so no one should ever lie to you. Like, offering signals is one of the hardest things out there because so when you start offering signals, you will not be worried about blowing your own account. Okay, you'll also be worried about blowing other people's accounts who are following your signals. So this makes it hard. So how can I explain this? Okay, so if you've been trading forex, just remember the time when you moved from a demo account into a real account. Now imagine that fear you had when you went to a real account. Now multiply that fear maybe probably by 20, because in my Telegram premium channel where I offer signals, I've got about 27 members who subscribe to my signals. So when I offer signals, I'm not just worried about making losses of my own, I'm also worried about the losses of other people in case the signals are incorrect or give me losses. Okay, so when I first started offering signals, probably in the first 2 or 3 weeks, I was focusing on quantity of signals. So instead of just sending like 2 or 3 signals, I was aiming at sending about 4 to 8 signals per day. Okay, but here is one problem. Okay, sending more signals, it resulted in more losses as well, because the more like the signals, okay, were quite good, but not all signals were quite good as well. Some were bad. Okay, so but as of now, what I'm focusing on is not just sending about a lot of signals. I'm now focusing on sending quality signals. So what do I mean by this? So instead of sending like 10 signals, so out of those 10 signals, maybe 4 or 5 signals may result into negatives. So as of now, what I'm doing is just sending about 2 or 3 signals, of which I'm sure that okay, these ones I'm very sure that they're not going to lead into losses. Okay, so it's better to send one signal that gives you $10 profit than to send 10 signals that give you $10 profit. Here's why: because out of those 10 signals, does not guarantee you that they all lead into profit. Probably half or 40% of them will be just losses. Okay, so this is why I'll be focusing on sending fewer signals. So the other thing is that this is just 2 months since I started offering signals, and I haven't yet like invested or dedicated most of my time into trading. Okay, so I've been investing almost like 10% of my time into trading, but next year that is when I'm going to dedicate most of my time into trading. So next year I think you should be able like to receive about 4 to 5 or 6 signals, which are very good as compared to what has been happening in the past if you've been in my Telegram channel. So next year as well, I'm going to engage some of my best forex traders I know. So because offering signals like 24/7 every day, there's sometimes whereby I may get sick or I may just get busy and I may not be available to offer signals. So this is why I need to find someone. Okay, I already found someone who's good who will be helping me with the signals. Yeah, so it will be like 2 people, so that we can both benefit as others benefit too. So starting next year, you should definitely subscribe to my signals if you really want to succeed in trading. Okay, so I'm also thinking of creating a premium course about price action, everything else you need to know to be successful. Okay, and we'll definitely let you know. You should just simply subscribe to this channel. So what have I gained from offering signals? Okay, so my signals cost about $15 to join. Okay, so in the past, before I started offering signals, I used to trade for like once a week, okay, twice a week. But when I started offering signals, I was being forced to trade every day because it became more like a job of offering signals. So this meant that every day I was supposed to trade, every day I was supposed to look at charts and offer signals. So this helped me make money not only from those people who are paying to join my subscription, but also from trading, because it now became almost like a job, because I was trading and I'm still trading almost every day. So offering signals is good again, because to make you become consistent in trading, But for me, I wasn't consistent like in trading every day. I only used to trade like once a week and so on. But as of now, I'm able to do that. So now, starting next year, as I have said, I'm going to invest more of my time in trading. So I should probably be able to make more than what I'm making now. Yeah, so in the past 2 months, the money I've made from trading is quite a lot from what I've been making from my YouTube, my website this past year. So yeah, forex trading is just the way. And yeah, I guess I've talked too much. I think let me be on my way. Okay, continue riding my bicycle. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, bye bye.